Welcome back to Theme Park HD, where we cover all the best theme park experiences, news, happenings, and much more, even including holiday destinations. Jump in with us today as we bring you the final Universal Kids Resort construction update for 2024, straight from the site here in Frisco, Texas. Let's go! Right off the bat here you can see an overview of the theme park as it takes shape with continued structures and dirt work progress. If we jump quickly to the latest artistic rendering from Universal, we've taken the liberty here of adding the attraction areas based on some of the clues found within the artwork. As you can see, here is a still shot of the hotel progress as the prep for the second floor continues on for the 300 room structure. For reminders, here are the hotel renderings with the following image approved from early this month from the City Council here in Frisco, Texas. As we continue on, looking towards the east wing of the hotel, we see to the right of the wing a new building up that, according to Universal's rendering, should be a part of the SpongeBob SquarePants land. Heading north into the park, we see continued excavation within the Minions waterway, as well as structured development on the attraction queue. Just above, we see the Shrek attraction coming into form. As we circle back south for a varied perspective of the park, we hit the north side of the Minions development, showcasing how much dirt has been removed since our last update just 2 weeks ago. Just follow the red painted lines, you can see this. Back on the screen, you can see the Shrek structure as we face south. Looks of a sizable footprint, perhaps an inside ride and queue. See the construction worker for scale reference. Pay no attention to the ogre. Looking back into the interior of the hotel, we can see here a large substructure facing into the park. We're not sure exactly what this is yet, even though we have some hypothesis. On the west wing, which is your right screen facing south, you will see the walls going up here for the second floor near the crane. When looking at the layout of the park, it is very simply a wagon wheel with spokes. As we view the theme park from the south heading northeast across the horizon, you can see this exact outer ring as the structures take shape with the interior paths and waterways progressing. Trolls has progressed quickly since our last update, with the skeleton of one building going vertical and another enclosed, as well as continued excavation as you can see outlined in red. If we join SpongeBob on the screen, you can see this building and attraction is pretty well built out from the aerial view here. Looking down onto the hotel, you can see prep work continues for the second floor. Also take notice of the construction site surrounding the hotel structure, with lots of standing water and mud. Between the intake of rain and holiday schedule of late, something like this could crunch a week of progress against the timeline. So let's talk about that timeline. Universal has set the opening date for May 2026, and I firmly believe that they will do everything in their power along with the city of Frisco to see this meet this deadline. Why, you ask? The FIFA World Cup is coming to the United States in 2026, June, with the Dallas Metroplex a key host site, including several national teams and matches occurring in the Frisco area. Having those gates open and hotel rooms ready to go for the 6-week soccer tournament is vital to the early success of Universal Kids. Well, that's a wrap on 2024. We hope you continue to join us as we start the 18-month to open countdown. Join us in 2 weeks for our first update of the new 2025 year. Who knows, maybe Jurassic Park will be going vertical. Happy holidays, and let's go!